growing up with Reggie. Isa po ako sa mga pinsan ni Reggie. And she's been like a sister to us and to me at sa mga kapatid ko po. It feels like our childhood was just yesterday. Nung araw na paslit pa lang tayo, running around, nililibot ang buong Puerto Ribas. We're running so freely. Kulang na lang ang maghapon for us to spend time with each other. Playing Chinese garter and learning how to ride bikes. Yung mga araw na hindi natin iniintay yung init ng araw. Makapagpiko at tumbang preso lamang. Tapos yung pinaka-paborito po namin lahat was yung mga days when we all go for swimming. Kahit na yung eyeballs namin lang ang maputi at mga ngipin ang maputi. We did not care. We would go swimming all day. Magiging night swimming, magiging overnight. Sobrang saya na namin. I will greatly cherish those memories that we made. Fast forward today, as we all celebrated the union of Reggie and Justin, we made me realize how time flies so fast. I'm very certain Tito Boy has been watching us over. And he's so happy na yung pinakamagandang unika-iha niya has got married today. I remember him saying something very special to me about both of you nung nag-holiday kami sa Italy. Tinanong ko siya, when is Justin and Reggie getting married? Ang sagot niya, paghanda na sila, malalaman nila yan. Hindi namin sila pinapressure. At na-mention niya din na sobrang saya niya at botong-boto siya kay Justin kasi he's a nice guy. Nakakatuwa kasi at the very moment, hindi ko na-realize na he used me pala na delivering his blessing to both of you. Tito Boy, dapat ikaw nagsasalita dito. Sobrang hiya ako, pero nandito ako. Nagsasalita at re-deliver ang message mo sa kanilang dalawa. Justin and Reggie, on this joyous day, as you both embark on a journey of love and togetherness, I want to extend my warmest congratulations. Your union is beautiful, testament to the magic of love, and I'm very thrilled to witness beginning of your shared adventure. May your days be filled with laughter, understanding, and unwavering support for one another. And also, sana lagi niyo tatandaan na you are not alone. You have the love and blessings of the family and friends surrounding you, cheering on you, and in the quiet moments when it's just the two of you, may you find solace in the promise you made, and promise of love, honor, and cherish each other for all the days of your lives. Congratulations!
Alright, thank you so much.